Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Can you tell the film stock of each one of these cartridges? Film students and those just starting out, well of course you can. If you just simply look at the label, you can see this is 50D, this is some early K40, and this is some vintage E160. However, if you were purchasing these online, could you tell? Because generally these sellers have no clue what they're selling, okay? So if they were out of the box and out of the wrapper, okay, turn them up like this, and for your benefit as well, let's take a good look. Look at the notching system here for the camera. Okay, this notch is medium size and fat. This one is fat and short. This is long and slender. This notch is for the bar in the center of the film compartment. This one right here on the 50D does not have a notch. Rather, down here, these two have a square notch down there. Okay? You see that? And here you have a long, slender notch. Here, up above that one, you have a long, slender notch. So when you lay them back down, now you can see the film stocks. Okay? But let's get a little bit deeper into that. Okay, I'm going to show you with a toothpick. These are film guides right here. Okay, they move left to right, right to left, and they also down. They're springy. Okay, that's what those are. You see that? Move down just like that, and left to right, right to left. Your pens, like on this Canon 310XL, are right here. See there? There's one, and there's another one. And then you have one right up in here. See it? You just push it straight in. So what happens is this. When you take this cartridge of 50D right here, you'll notice the notching system here, okay, and here, both of those right there. On this side of the cartridge, it will push in that entire pin over here and under here. On this side of the notching system, this cartridge will only push in one. Right. So let's see the best way to do this. I'm going to push this in here. Push in the cartridge. Now, look close at the top of the screen. You'll see one pin is still visible, the other one is pushed in. You see there? This tells the camera what film stock. And this cartridge, this part of the cartridge down here, the entire part of the cartridge wall has pushed that pin in there. So again, the camera knows it's shooting 50D. Okay? And there you have it. There's that pin up under there, on my pencil eraser. There are your film stabilizers down at the bottom of my pencil eraser, and here's another couple of pins. And do understand that these notches right here, okay, they do at the same time stabilize the cartridge that stabilizes the film, okay? Because there is a crease under here. See that? And that helps stabilize the entire cartridge and everything as well as well as the film inside. Okay? So that's something to definitely keep in mind. Okay, so how that moves about. There we go again. Okay, with this vintage E160, taking a look at the notch system here and here. Okay, the pin will go all the way through this square, and the pin up above will penetrate this side. Okay? So take a good look. We'll put this in. Okay, and just watch close. All right. So, see there? Get the pin here, penetrating all the way through, and this one, the one above. Now in this K40, look very closely, because the notching system here and here are of importance. This notching system and this part of the wall will cover up the two pins on this side of the camera. This notching system will allow the pin to come through. Okay, so let's take a look. The two pins here at the end of my pencil eraser and the one here. Okay, look close. All right, so everything is blocked here. All right, and the pin is coming through on this side. See it right there? There's the pin of my pencil eraser. So film students and those just starting out, there you have it, with the Super 8 cartridges and the notch system, okay, for the pins inside the film compartment. So when you're using a camera like a 310 XL, you know, especially some of the low-end model Super 8 cameras like the 310 XL, okay, they're only going to take a certain cartridge of film, all right? Do check on the specifications of film stock for your camera, okay? If you're a perfectionist, you want to make sure it comes out ungrainy, you know, and that type of a thing. Some of it is the film stock, okay, that you want to get, but you want to make sure the cartridge you're getting is going to support the camera and vice versa, all right? That's one of the main things to know right there. And knowing that cartridge on the side right there with that notching for the pin system is a good thing to do. Some good knowledge to have. Alright? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!